Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how we can send money from Canada to Pakistan. For sending money from Canada to Pakistan, it is a very simple. You just need to open your browser and type Remitly. When you type Remitly, there is a multiple options. Just click on first link. After clicking on first link, login your account in Remitly. After logging your account, select the country that you want to transfer money. Like I want to transfer money from Canada to Pakistan. Just I click on the arrow button down and select the country that I want to transfer money from to France. I transfer money from Canada to Pakistan. Just I select the Canada and sending country. For sending country, just need to click on arrow down button and search Pakistan. Click on send money. Enter the amount that you want to send to the receiver. Select delivery method. Click on bank deposit, mobile or etc. other option that you have. I select bank deposit because I have a bank account. Payment method. In payment method, select debit or credit card. Select and then click on continue. Click the bank that the receiver provide you. Like the receiver provide me a Bank Alfla account, I just need to click on Bank Alfla account. Put the IBAN number that the receiver gives and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, the 10 Canadian rupees deduction from your account and it will give to the receiver. This is today our video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon.